Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect Tapswap to Solflare wallet. So let's get into the video. Firstly, go to your App Store or Play Store and download the Solflare wallet first. So you need to download these Solflare wallets. It's on your App Store. So if you go to your App Store, you'll find Solflare. Okay, so that's Solflare. So download this Solflare wallet here. So download that on your phone and then go to your Telegram bot. So open up your Telegram and then go to your Telegram bot and then search for Tapswap. So when you search for Tapswap, you'll get to this Tapswap bot here. So select that and then click on start. So you can get to the Tapswap bot. So open it up. So once this loads here, so go to your task option here and then click on connect to wallet. So you'll see connect to Solana option there. So simply click on it and then scroll down. You will see an option called start mission. Click on start mission and hit on the go, and this will, since you've already downloaded Solflare wallet, this will take you to the Solflare wallet where you will need to give some permissions and verification to connect it to your Solflare wallet. So you just need to get that done and then your account will be connected to your Solflare wallet, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.